Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. Now let's see the configuration option to collapse all the panels. It is also possible to display the accordion with all panels collapsed initially. To do this, we have to use both active and collapsible properties. So now we are introducing one more property called collapsible. Active you already know as part of the previous video. So to do this, we have to use both active and collapsible property. Means collapsible should be true and active should be false. Usually to the active property, we will specify a panel number, right? Panel index. But if you set it false, then no panel is active. And here we are stating the collapsible property as a true. So these are all the property we are using this time. Active is false and collapsible as true. Now let's see the behavior. Alright, now here is where we are making call to the accordion, right? Now let's replace this to have the active and the collapsible configuration option together. And now if you see, all accordion panels are in closed state. When you click, the panel will open, and when you click again, the panel will close, because we set collapsible as a true. So you can expand, and by clicking on the same topic, you can close this panel. Topic 1 is opened. By clicking again, it will get closed. And you also saw by default all the panels were in closed state. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.